Hello guys, as you can see on my channel I told you invest on Kaspa, and if you had invested $100 at the beginning, now you would have $10,000. So today I found the similar project blockdag, and now it's only the pre-sale. Now the price is less than 1 cent, but when this token will launch the price will be 5 cents. So if we invest $100, after some days we will have $700. The link on this project I will leave under the video. After that you can just click buy and connect your wallet. I will connect MetaMask. So as you can see I already invested 14,000 blockdag and the current price is almost 1 cent. So I invested on this project $123, but when this project will launch I will earn $725, and always after launch the price can go to the moon. The same like in Kaspa, and you will be able to earn $10,000 investing only $100. I know that this is risky, that's why I invested only $100 and can earn much more money. As you can see, before launch there will be 45 stages. I invested on this project a few days ago when the price was 0.085 USDT, and in the next stage I will earn more money. So if you want buy coins, just choose the network, after that switch the network and then write how much money you want to spend. Obviously after the launch you can wait until the price will go up, but obviously you can invest on this project $100 now and after the launch immediately sell all of your tokens, so you will earn $600. I choose this project because he is much more better than another project, and also he is similar like Kaspa, so we can get a lot of money. Of course I will show you the results in the next videos, so subscribe on my channel.